Welcome to Spirit Airlines. Ready for takeoff? Brought to you by pilot Jason Richardson. Fasten your seatbelts as we take a trip down memory lane. 1983, the airline service was founded in Macomb County, Michigan by Ned Homefeld as Charter One Airlines. In 1984, flights to Florida became the next focus as gambling became a more commonplace in other states. In 1990, company begins leasing its own planes. 1992, scheduled flights between Boston and Providence began on June 15, 1992. In April of 1993, scheduled flights to Florida were introduced and the airline continued its expansion. In 1994, Spirit attempted to buy gates at Detroit Metropolitan Service at Philadelphia. In 1995, Spirit introduced Freedom Fair service from Detroit to England beginning in December of 1995. In 1996, a campaign was launched at the 1996 Pitching Spirit Perfect Safety Record to family travelers. In 1997, partnership with Jet Express with Spirit was devolved amid name calling and pointing fingers in August. The CEO of Spirit Airlines, the leadership, Ted Christie III, President and CEO, Mr. Robert A. Schroeder, SVP and Chief Marketing Officer, John Benaredes, EVP, Matthew H. Clean, Executive EVP. Nominating and Corporate Governance Committee. The Nominating and Corporate Governance Committee consists of at least 3 members and is responsible for recommending to the board individuals to be nominated as directors and committee members. This includes evaluation of new candidates as well as evaluation of current directors. This committee is also responsible for developing and recommending to the board the guidelines as well as reviewing and recommending revisions to the guidelines on a regular basis. This committee also performs other duties as are described in these guidelines. Is responsible for planning for succession with respect to the chief executive officer and other named executive officers and prepare any disclosure of the nominating process required by applicable rules and regulations. Value of Spirit. Spirit values by incorporating all of these values: service, professionalism, integrity, respect, individual accountability, and trust into their daily routine. We can better serve our customers, ourselves, and our projects. The leadership style of Spirit. The leadership team at Spirit is engaged and approachable. They encourage team members to participate in developing solutions to move the company forward and empower them to make decisions. Also, confidence and the dedication to our daily operation. Also, they're to help you. They are friendly and fun. They are understanding and they listen to the team. Also, a backlash that the leadership team dealt with was Spirit Airlines is defending its decision to deboard on the entire flight after it says a family refused to wear masks, as videos of the incident sparked backlash online. The leaders of Spirit handled this backlash by telling an insider it's standard protocol in the airline industry to deboard the entire plane if there's an incident with the passenger. So in this situation, a mother felt as that Spirit Airlines was not letting them on the plane and was being mean and racist towards them about a mask. But the CEO and the leadership team told them it was a protocol that every passenger has on a mask. It's a fun little video, and I thank you for attending this flight with Jason Richardson.